tó mo tún kí ẹ̀yin akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ káàbọ̀ sí gbàgede èdè Yorùbá pẹ̀lú ọ̀gbẹ́ni Táíwò. Èdè Yorùbá pẹ̀lú ọ̀gbẹ́ni Táíwò. This is where we teach ourselves how to speak, how to write, how to listen, and how to communicate in Yoruba language. Once again, my name is ọ̀gbẹ́ni Táíwò. Today's topic is very interesting anyway. Ẹ ti mọ̀ pé gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìṣe wa, ojoojúmọ́ là ń wá pẹ̀lú àwọn àrà ọ̀tọ̀ láti lè rí i dájú pé èdè Yorùbá yé gbogbo wa ni. Ohun tí a fẹ́ gbéyàwó ni ọ̀rọ̀ onílẹ́tà mẹ́ta. Those are 3-letter words in Yoruba language. 3-letter words. Most of the time, these words are usually nouns, though we have some exceptional words that they might not be noun. But lọ́pọ̀ ìgbà ọ̀rọ̀ orúkọ làwọn lẹ́tà mẹ́ta ìsábà máa ń jẹ́. So we want to consider few of them in Yoruba language. Right. The objective of this lesson, ohun tó máa jẹ́ àfojúsùn wa ni pé lẹ́yìn ètò ìkọ́ni yìí, a ó lè sọ àpẹẹrẹ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ onílẹ́tà mẹ́ta, a ó dẹ̀ lè lò wọ́n ní gbólóhùn. That's our objective. Right, ohun àkọ́kọ́, the first word we are going to consider is o, wi, o. What is that? O, w, o. Owó. That's morning. Owó. O, wi, o. Owó. That is morning. Tá bá fẹ́ lo morning in a sentence, báwo la ṣe fẹ́ sọ? A ní mo ní owó. That is I have money. Mo ní owó. Mo means I. Ní means have. Owó is money. O, wi, o. Owó. Okay. Ọ̀rọ̀ ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì òun ni ilé. I-l-e. Ẹ má gbàgbé pé mo sọ nínú ìkan nínú àwọn classes wa pé all these are combination of sound. I-l-e. Ilé, that's house. House. Ilé mi ni èyí. That means this is my house. This is my house. I-l-e. Ilé. The combination of those letters sound I, L, and He gives us ilé, which means house in English language. The third word is ìwé. Ìwé. Can you say that? Ìwé. That means book. Book. I, w, he. He, w, he. Ìwé. Mo ń ka ìwé. I am reading. Mo ń ka ìwé. I am reading. Ìwé means book. Ìwé, book. Alright. Èyí tó tún dàbẹ́ ni ojú. This is o-j, hu. O-j, hu. Ojú. Ojú means eyes. Eyes. Mo ní ojú méjì. Mo ní ojú méjì, meaning I have two eyes. I have two eyes. Mo ní ojú méjì. Ojú, hu. Ojú. Ẹsẹ̀, leg. Ẹsẹ̀, leg. Hair. Hair. Ẹsẹ̀, that is leg. Mo ní ẹsẹ̀ méjì. That is I have two legs. Don't forget we are considering 3-letter words rather. 3-letter words. Hair, ẹsẹ̀. And how to use it in a sentence. Mo ní ẹsẹ̀ méjì, meaning I have two legs. Aṣọ, cloth. Aṣọ, cloth. Mo ní aṣọ púpọ̀, meaning I have many clothes. Aṣọ, aṣọ, that is cloth. Mo ní aṣọ púpọ̀. I have many clothes. Okay? Igi. Igi. That is a tree. Igi means tree. igi ni èyí. Igi ni èyí, meaning this is a tree. This is a tree. Igi ni èyí. Alright, let me quickly go over all those things we have learned again. The first is owó. O-W-O. Owó. Can you spell it? O-W-O. Owó meaning money. Ilé. Ilé, that is house. Ìwé. Ìwé meaning book. Ojú. Ojú, that is eyes. Ẹsẹ̀. Meaning leg. Aṣọ. Aṣọ, that is cloth. And igi, that is a tree. I'm very sure you've enjoyed today's class. Right? You can like and subscribe to our page for more of these Yoruba classes. Ohun tí a yẹ̀wò lénìí ni àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ onílẹ́tà mẹ́ta.